Hi guys, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Microsoft Store not downloading apps or games in Windows 10 and 11 PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, press on Windows key, then type here WS reset, then hit enter. After that, close this window, go to the command prompt, right click on command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Click on next to apply, then type here sfc space / scan now, then hit enter. It will take some time. After completion, close this window, then go to the services. In this you search Windows Update. You can see here Windows Update. Right click on this, click on properties, select here automatic on a startup type, then click on apply, click on OK. Then close this window, press on Windows key, then search here Microsoft Store. You can see here Microsoft Store. Right click on this, click on app settings. Here the trip is scroll down, then press on repair. Then press on reset. Before resetting, read this sentence. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Then press on reset. After doing this, once you restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. That's it guys. So in this video you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.